Good morning, Ben Olguin here at Transwest GMC Isuzu. We're going to talk a little bit today about this beautiful 2021 Ford F-600. Yes, that's an F-600. I didn't misspeak. An F-600 is the same size as an F-550, but it's a little bit heavier duty. It's got a heavier driveline, heavier suspension. They beef it up. It's got 22,000 pounds of GVWR. This one, the way it's equipped here, you have about 12,000 pounds of payload left over. This is a dump bed, hydraulic dump bed. All the sides fold down, makes it easier to get to your equipment. This would be a great vehicle for junk removal, landscapers, those kind of things, tree removal. This thing is ready to work. It's got a 6.7 liter Power Stroke engine. That's 330 horsepower, 970 pounds of foot torque. So this thing is ready to work. If you look at this, this is a regular cab, dump bed, beautiful four-wheel drive. Going to come around the back a little bit. Like I said, 12,000 pounds of payload. Towing capacity is right at 22,000 pounds if the bed is empty. Receiver hitch like that. So you've got plenty of opportunity here. This truck is ready to go, ready to start working. It does have a cover, a manual cover that'll go over anything that you put in the back of it, keep the dust down to a minimum. If you're taking loads to the dump, if you're taking them to a place where they're taking up chopped up trees, this thing will work perfect. Again, regular cab, cloth seats, AM, FM stereo, Bluetooth. This thing is ready to go. It is a bench seat, so that middle part will go up and you can have 3 workers in there if you need to. Again, thank you for watching today. This truck is ready to go, low mileage, priced right, ready to work for you today. Thank you for watching. Ben Olguin, Transwest GMC Isuzu. Come see us. Thank you.